In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to create nested sequences, also known as nesting clips, and understand why this feature is so useful. Nesting means taking multiple clips on your timeline and combining them into one single sequence that behaves like a normal clip. This is especially helpful when your timeline starts getting messy or layered with many cuts. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline and select the clips you want to group together. You can hold the Control key and click multiple clips or drag a selection around them. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted clips. Now, choose Nest. A small window will appear asking you to name the new sequence. Give it a name and click OK. Immediately, all the selected clips will be replaced by a single green sequence clip in your timeline. That single clip is now a nested sequence. If you double-click on that nested clip, it opens in a new Timeline tab where you can still edit all the original clips inside it. Now, let's talk about the advantages. First, nesting keeps your timeline clean and organized. Instead of seeing multiple small cuts, you see one single clip. Second, you can apply an effect to the nested sequence and it will affect everything inside it at once. For example, you can apply color grading or a blur to the entire group without adding the effect to each clip individually. Third, nesting makes complex edits easier to manage, especially when working with layered graphics, B-roll, or multiple adjustments. Nesting does not permanently merge your clips. You can always go inside and edit them anytime. And that's it. We now know how to create and use nested sequences in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.